Good day, viewers. Yeah, welcome back to lesson 2 of our IUPAC nomenclature. That is the concept of oxidation number. Today, we're going to be looking at the application of the oxidation number. Example 1, find the oxidation number of copper in Cu2O. Oxidation number of copper. That's what we want to look at. Now, let's move on. Here, we want to look at the oxidation number of copper in this place. Since this is what we are looking for, let us represent it with an unknown letter, probably X or Y. Let's say X, X. This copper has 2, so it's binary, multiplied by this 2, which is the subscript, plus the oxidation number of oxygen, as we've learned from our previous class, in a binary compound is equals to -2. When positive and negative meet, you open the bracket and close it. And don't forget, in our previous class, we said the oxidation number of a molecule add up to be equals to 0. So this equals to 0. So we have x multiplied by 2, 2x, plus multiplied by negative, we have -2 equals to 0. The next thing is to let our unknown to the left and the known to the right. So this moves here. So 2x is equals to plus 2. So when minus is crossing is equals to, it changes to positive. So in this case, we have plus 2. Now to get my x, according to what we have in mathematics, these 2 and x are being joined together by multiplication. And the opposite of multiplication is division. So we have to divide both sides by this coefficient of n, which is 2. So we have 2x divided by 2 is equals to plus 2 divided by 2. 2 goes in 2, s is out. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So plus 1 over 1 gives us what? 1. Therefore, the oxidation number of copper in Cu2O equals to plus 1. So the oxidation number of copper in this point is plus 1. So this is called copper 1 oxide. Example 2. What is the oxidation number of phosphorus in phosphine? That is pH3. pH3. Want to look for the oxidation number of phosphorus, and this is phosphorus. Let us represent the oxidation number of phosphorus with an unknown, let's say Y, plus oxidation number of hydrogen is plus 1 multiplied by 3 because it's the owner of this 3. Let's open bracket and close it. Since they are in a molecule, we equal to 0. So we have Y plus times plus, we have plus. 1 times 3, we have 3 equals to 0. So take the known to the right hand side, Y equals to -3. Therefore, the oxidation number of phosphorus in phosphine pH3 is equals to -3. Example 3. Find the oxidation number of nitrogen in HNO3. So we want to find the oxidation number of nitrogen here. Oxidation number of hydrogen, as we know, is plus 1. Then plus nitrogen, an unknown x, plus again, we have to be adding the oxidation number together. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2 multiplied by 3. Open bracket and close it equals to 0. So here we have 1 plus x, plus times minus, minus 2 times 3, 6 equals to 0. So collect like thing, we have 1 minus 6 plus x is equals to 0. 1 minus 6 gives -5 plus s equals to 0. So take this to the right hand side. So we have x equals to, when minus is crossing, change to what? Plus 5. So therefore, the oxidation number of nitrogen in HNO3 is equals to plus 5. Example 4. Calculate the oxidation number of X in S2O4 raised to the power 2 minus Now here, we want to get the oxidation number of X here. That is the X multiplied by these two plus oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2. It has a subscript of 4 multiplied by 4. Don't forget from our previous class, the oxidation number of a radical will equal to the charge on it, and the charge here is 2 minus. That is minus 2. X times 2, we have 2x, plus times minus, minus 2 times 4, we have 8, is equal to minus 2. So take the known to the right hand side and let the unknown be at the left hand side. So this moves here. So we have 2x is equal to minus 2. When minus 6 is crossing, changes to what? Plus 8. 2x is equal to minus 2 plus 8. We have plus 6. So I'm looking for my x. So I have to divide both sides by these 2. So we have 2x divided by 2 is equal to plus 6 divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. So x is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 3, plus 3. Therefore, the oxidation number of x in S2O42 minus is equals to plus 3. This is how to apply the concept of oxidation number. So, if you are a new member of this channel, kindly please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. And do not forget to also share to other learners in that could benefit. I remain Latif Ismaila Akombi, your mathematics and chemistry tutor. I see you in my next video. Thank you.